So I'm gonna show you the hatch. Let's unbox it together. I downloaded the app. We are going to pair it together. But basically the hatch is a sound machine for babies, which is also a night light. For some reason we were like, hey, you know, we're gonna get the less expensive versions of a sound machine. Let's see how they are. But the thing with other sound machines is that they don't have the dimming of the light, for example. They don't have, like, sometimes you can't put it, like, there is a lot of different options that are not available on it, on them. And then some of them don't have the app. The app really makes a big difference. You have also some presets when you open it, and let's say you don't want to use it with the app. Some people are not tech savvy, and you don't need to be tech savvy to use it with the app. But some people are really like, I don't even want to download the app, and you can use it without the app. There are some presets that you can change with the app, but if you don't want to change them, you have some presets. So we're going to be unboxing it together, and then I will tell you more about some of the specs. So you see, this is what happens when you unbox it. You have another box within the box. The quick guide. You have a code. I like that. Welcome to the Hatch family. The user guide, a user manual, and then we have our sound machine, which is nicely wrapped, and then you have the cord, and I'll show you the cord. But this is how the sound machine looks like. We're gonna make sure that you can see everything. This is how it looks like. Let me just make sure that the box is empty and show you everything. So you see that they're like, psst, the cord is up there. So let's just get the cord. Alright, and that's it. That's all you need. You have the machine, the cord, the user guide. Why is it good that it looks minimal and simple? It's not just for the aesthetic. It's because whenever something looks simple, you know it's going to be simple to use it, right? So here's how it looks. You have the speaker on top, and then you have that ring around it. It's a metal ring that is going to be the ring that you touch to turn it on or off, and then to change the presets. So you're going to touch it a long time to turn it on or off, and then just like this for the presets. And so on the bottom you have, so you see you can use it without the app. You have all the buttons that you need. So you have the buttons to pause and play. You have the buttons to go over all the sounds, and then you can dim, make it brighter, or dim it, and then you can also make the sound louder or lower. So you see, you can totally use it without the app. So you will have, in the presets, you will have a lot of different colors available. Let me just plug it and show you. Okay, so now we plugged our light, and so I just turned it on right now. And then you have different presets. So we're gonna put it on louder. I have a lot of light in my studio, so that's why you can't really see the light clearly. So you see there are some presets with some lullabies with different colors. You see in that you just touch the ring one time and it just changes it. So you see, these are the presets. And then you have one where it's just the light with no sound. So now that's what happens when you have the hatch without the app, and you are going to be able to also go through different sounds, all the different sounds right here with the panel here, and again dim the light, etc., etc., without the app. Now if you have the app, let's pair it. I'm going to turn it on and we're going to pair it. So it makes a difference when you need to feed or change baby during the night. And then there are a lot of different things that you can do as baby grows. In the morning you can have the light red before 7 a.m. for example, and then at 7 a.m. it can turn green, and that means that your toddler can get out of bed and start bothering you, right? So you see, we just found the hatch. So first you do, I'm just gonna show you, but you do choose your hatch product. You can have several ones in the app, and then it is finding it. So then we are going to pair it. So we want to touch the ring to pair it, and as you can see, it's so easy. Now it's ready to be paired. We go on next, and it is pairing. Oops, I'm still here. And then next, again, all right, they tell us to turn it on and turn it off. And you can see, and now we can name it, so we are going to name it Lucas's room. All right, you see? And then we go next. And then, so on the app, let's turn it on. You are going to be able to choose different sounds from all these sounds. So you have either no sound, nature, rain, TV static. This is like a nature sound with the birds, the wind, the sea, just like a river, washing machine, and then you have lullabies. And then you have lullabies, so let's put it on no sound for now. Then you can also increase the sound. You can increase the light to its maximum or to its minimum. And then you are going to be able to change the color, and you can actually, so you see, you can either change from all these. You will have the rainbow also, which is going to change very slowly from all the different lights. But you can also do custom, and then let's say you just want a color that's not on the panel, you are going to be able to choose that. So I love this. Now this is done, and you are able to do your favorites, make your own presets, as I was talking to you about. You have also a timer, so you are going to be able to put it, let's say it's for a nap, and your baby, you don't want your baby to sleep more than 2 hours, so you can set it for 2 hours. And then, so you have different programs, so you can just basically set your programs, and then every day is going to turn for this program. So for example, you have the morning one, you have the nap time, and you have the bedtime, and you can have all these different programs. So you see, you can use it without the app, but with the app it will do so much more.